The battle for cloud supremacy is raging. Three titans dominate the arena: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Each offers a vast array of services, vying for the attention of businesses and developers worldwide. This essay explores the cloud wars, comparing these giants across key battlegrounds. We'll delve into their offerings, market dominance, pricing strategies, global reach, and more. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each contender is crucial for anyone navigating the cloud landscape. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a business leader, this analysis will equip you to make informed decisions in this ever-evolving technological landscape. The cloud is not just a technological innovation, it's a paradigm shift, reshaping industries and redefining possibilities. Join us as we dissect the cloud wars, uncovering the forces that shape this digital battlefield. The stakes are high and the future of computing hangs in the balance. Section 2, Services, a buffet of options. Each cloud provider offers a vast menu of services, catering to diverse needs. AWS, the veteran, boasts the most comprehensive suite, covering everything from basic computing and storage to advanced machine learning and analytics. Azure, with its strong enterprise heritage, excels in hybrid cloud solutions, seamlessly bridging on-premises infrastructure with the cloud. Google Cloud, the innovator, shines in data analytics and artificial intelligence, leveraging its prowess in these domains. These services aren't static, they constantly evolve. New offerings emerge, existing ones improve, and the competitive landscape shifts. Each provider strives to outdo the others, adding features, enhancing performance, and expanding their portfolios. This constant innovation fuels the cloud revolution, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Choosing the right cloud provider requires careful consideration of your specific requirements. Do you need robust enterprise support? Are you pushing the boundaries of AI? Or perhaps you seek the most cost-effective solution? The answer lies in understanding the unique strengths of each contender. Section 3. Market share, the cloud leaderboard. AWS remains the undisputed leader in market share, commanding a significant portion of the cloud computing pie. Its early entry and aggressive expansion gave it a considerable head start. Azure, however, is rapidly closing the gap, leveraging its strong enterprise relationships and comprehensive offerings. Google Cloud, though lagging behind, shows impressive growth, attracting customers with its data-centric approach and innovative solutions. This battle for market share is far from over. Each provider invests heavily in attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. Price wars, feature enhancements, and strategic partnerships are common tactics in this ongoing struggle for dominance. The cloud market is dynamic, and yesterday's leader can easily become tomorrow's underdog. The implications of this competition extend far beyond the boardrooms of these tech giants. The cloud is becoming the backbone of the digital economy, and the companies that control this infrastructure wield significant power. Understanding the dynamics of market share provides valuable insights into the future trajectory of the cloud industry. Section 4. Pricing models, paying for the cloud. Navigating the labyrinthine world of cloud pricing can be daunting. Each provider offers a bewildering array of pricing models, discounts, and incentives. AWS, known for its granular pricing, allows you to pay only for what you use, offering flexibility but requiring careful monitoring. Azure, with its focus on enterprise agreements, often provides volume discounts and bundled services, simplifying billing but potentially leading to overspending. Google Cloud, known for its competitive pricing, often undercuts its rivals, attracting cost-conscious customers. Choosing the right pricing model depends on your usage patterns, budget constraints, and long-term cloud strategy. Careful analysis of your needs and a thorough understanding of the various pricing options are essential. The cloud promises cost savings, but only if you navigate its pricing complexities wisely. The pricing wars are fierce, with each provider constantly adjusting its strategies to gain an edge. This benefits customers, driving down costs and increasing value. However, it also creates complexity, making it crucial to stay informed about the latest pricing trends and offerings. Section 5. Global infrastructure reaching every corner. Cloud providers are engaged in a global land grab, building data centers across continents to ensure low latency and data sovereignty. AWS boasts the most extensive global footprint, with its infrastructure spanning numerous regions worldwide. Azure, with its focus on hybrid cloud, offers a balanced approach, combining global reach with on-premises solutions. Google Cloud, strategically expanding its network, focuses on key regions with high growth potential. This global race is crucial for delivering fast, reliable cloud services to a global audience. Businesses increasingly operate across borders, demanding cloud infrastructure that can keep pace. The ability to deploy applications and store data closer to users enhances performance and complies with local regulations. The expansion of cloud infrastructure is a testament to the transformative power of the cloud. It's democratizing access to technology, empowering businesses of all sizes to compete on a global stage. The cloud is no longer a luxury, it's becoming the essential infrastructure of the digital age. Section 6. Integration, connecting the dots. The cloud isn't an island, it needs to integrate seamlessly with existing systems and applications. Each provider offers tools and services to facilitate this integration. AWS, with its vast ecosystem, provides a plethora of connectors and APIs, allowing you to connect with almost any third-party tool or platform. Azure, leveraging its enterprise expertise, excels in integrating with Microsoft products and services, offering a smooth transition for existing Microsoft users. Google Cloud, with its focus on open source, promotes interoperability, making it easier to connect with a wide range of platforms and technologies. Smooth integration is crucial for maximizing the benefits of the cloud. Siloed data and incompatible systems hinder agility and innovation. Choosing a cloud provider with robust integration capabilities ensures a cohesive technology landscape, enabling you to leverage your existing investments while embracing the cloud's transformative potential. The integration capabilities of cloud providers are constantly evolving, driven by the need for interoperability in a multi-cloud world. Businesses increasingly adopt a hybrid approach, using multiple cloud providers to meet their diverse needs. This trend makes seamless integration even more critical, enabling organizations to manage their complex cloud environments effectively. Section 7. Real-world applications, clouds in action. The cloud is no longer an abstract concept, it's powering real-world applications across industries. Netflix relies on AWS to stream movies to millions of subscribers worldwide. Spotify uses Google Cloud to power its music recommendations and personalize user experiences. Adobe Creative Cloud, hosted on Azure, provides artists and designers with cloud-based tools for creativity and collaboration. These are just a few examples of how the cloud is transforming businesses and enabling innovative solutions. The impact of the cloud extends far beyond these high-profile examples. Small businesses are using the cloud to streamline operations, reach new customers, and compete on a level playing field with larger enterprises. Educational institutions are leveraging the cloud to deliver online learning experiences, personalize education, and conduct groundbreaking research. The cloud is democratizing technology, empowering individuals and organizations to achieve more than ever before. The future holds even greater promise for cloud-powered innovation. As cloud technologies advance, we can expect to see even more transformative applications emerge, revolutionizing industries and enhancing our lives in countless ways. The cloud is not just a technological shift, it's a catalyst for progress, driving innovation and reshaping the world around us. Section 8. Industry impacts, reshaping the landscape. The cloud's impact extends far beyond the tech industry. It's reshaping entire sectors, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and retail. In healthcare, the cloud enables secure storage and analysis of medical data, facilitating personalized treatments and accelerating medical research. In finance, the cloud empowers real-time fraud detection, risk management, and personalized financial services. In manufacturing, the cloud optimizes supply chains, enables predictive maintenance, and drives efficiency. The cloud is not just a tool for businesses, it's a force for social good. Nonprofit organizations are using the cloud to reach wider audiences, streamline operations, and maximize their impact. Governments are leveraging the cloud to improve citizen services, enhance data security, and address societal challenges. The cloud is a powerful tool for positive change, enabling organizations to tackle some of the world's most pressing issues. The cloud's transformative power is still unfolding. As cloud technologies mature and become even more accessible, we can expect to see even more profound impacts across industries and societies. The cloud is not a destination, it's a journey, and we're only beginning to explore its full potential. Section 9. Conclusion: the future of cloud warfare. The cloud wars are far from over. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud will continue to clash, vying for dominance in this ever-expanding market. The battle lines will shift, new contenders may emerge, and the pace of innovation will only accelerate. The future of cloud computing is bright, fueled by relentless competition and a constant drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. Understanding the dynamics of this technological arms race is crucial for anyone navigating the digital landscape. Whether you're a business leader, a developer, or simply a curious observer, the cloud wars offer a glimpse into the future of computing. The cloud is not just a technology, it's a transformative force, reshaping industries, empowering individuals, and redefining our relationship with technology. The cloud wars are more than just a battle for market share, they're a race to shape the future. The choices we make today, the technologies we embrace, and the companies we support will determine the trajectory of the cloud and its impact on our world. The cloud is not just a platform, it's a canvas for innovation, and the future is ours to paint.